Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and we are live with another live stream on a crazy week we're having in crypto. We've been talking a lot about the price action in these markets as we're in the year 2023. We know in 2024 a bull market should be coming according to the 4-year cycles we see with the Bitcoin halving. But now a black swan event of sorts kind of came up where the SEC stepped forward and made two big threats to two big companies. And now if you're a Crypto.com holder, you may be sitting here saying, hey, this is great. We haven't heard Crypto.com out there yet. But is there a risk of Crypto.com and other crypto exchanges getting pulled into this? Are there other tokens out there that are going to be deemed a security? Are the tokens that Gary Gensler came out to talk about recently, algorand, Cardano, and all these, are these officially declared securities, or is this not concrete yet? Let's talk a little bit about where we're at with that, guys. What's going on with CRO? We'll talk a little bit about the memes, the attention economy tokens, just the overall market, what's tasty, what's not. And honestly, guys, why I am bullish, very bullish on this market. I want to put across a point that I talked a little bit. I'm in a lot of Twitter spaces, just hopping into some great spaces out there, having a lot of fun talking with the community. And it's a point I made earlier today that I just want to share with my channel here on YouTube today to kind of get out there, because this morning when I woke up and yesterday morning when I woke up and I saw the news about Binance and Coinbase, didn't make me feel too good. But now, honestly, I kind of feel better than ever before, and it's something we've been talking about. But let's get into it, guys. If you like the content, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. For those of you that have been with us for a while, you already know we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber at 10,000 subscribers, and I think we're like 150 subscribers away. So if you guys can get it there, maybe we could do the giveaway tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll see. We're very close, guys. More giveaways to come as well, guys. Just another Sushi, Francisco, Gabriel, Shy Sox fan for life. Justin, look at this chat going wild already. Good to have everybody in the comments, in the chat section today. Let's hop into this, guys. Yeah, we'll talk about how I'm feeling about CRO in this one, because I am bullish, guys. I mean, we talk about CRO every single day. A lot of you guys are upset. I've been talking about the memes and the attention economy tokens. Guys, we got to talk about it all. But let's hop in. Let's get into the stories for the day. We'll start it off with the SEC, get into some of this news, and get into some specifics on some of these tokens. Out of the gate, though, market's back up. Now, just the other day, we were down a little bit, and we really had a very boring time here over the last month or two. I'll show you that towards the end, kind of month to month, what's going on with Bitcoin. But it was very exciting the last 2 days. We had a big dip and an excellent recovery today. I think crypto Twitter, and if you guys are not on Twitter, I highly recommend you check it out, responded today against the SEC and just stepped up. And nobody is on Gary Gensler's side here. I saw one comment on a video we made earlier today that somebody said, like, SEC is not the problem, it's crypto that's the problem. And it's like, why are you even watching crypto videos? If you, go watch some SEC videos. Look at what Gary Gensler's saying, and look at what the facts are. And you can see it is Gary Gensler and the SEC that are the problem right now. But I actually think in the end, and this is my hot take for the day, I think this drama with the SEC is the solution. Kind of put the pedal to the metal on the regulation and get crypto adoption happening in a big way sooner than maybe it would have if they didn't take these oversteps. And nothing's done in court, guys. We'll get more into it. But today, Pepe is going up 16.17%. I really do believe Pepe could be a big player in the next bull market. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have no reason being a big coin. Same thing for Pepe, but Pepe's funny. Just for those of you guys that don't already know, it is my screensaver. There you go. You'll see my Pepe. I don't even really own any Pepe right now, but I'll be buying some more just because it's fun. Bitcoin right now at $27,127, which is good. Went all the way down, guys, to $25,200 and change. If you look at Bitcoin, look at this price action. Look at what's going on right now, and it's still moving up. Look over the last 7 days. This thing went all the way down, and it even had a little wick that went down to like $25,200, which is a price, by the way, guys, that we've been talking about consistently on this channel. We've been talking about this every single day. Actually, matter of fact, let me pull up this right here. Boom. Oh, there it is. Look at this, guys. Look at this line that I have had drawn for months. Come on. If you are watching this video right now, you best be smashing up the like button, guys, because these are the channels that we've been talking about. Perfect execution of a bounce off this line. It's exactly like Black Sea and I have been telling you. And here we are, and we moved right back up. This candle, guys, this is the weekly candle. This candle, if this turns green, that will mean this is a very tasty floor, and we had an excellent bounce. I wouldn't be surprised really at anything. Now, Black Sea and I were talking this morning about Bitcoin and crypto overall, where we're at right now. Guys, I'll be 100% honest with you. I mean, we called bottom back in November of 2022. I still believe that that is the bottom. But I'll be honest with you guys. With this Black Swan event that came out, and just knowing that the Bitcoin halving is not coming till 2024, now that we broke down to here, we'll have to see if we can stay above here, and I think we continue up. But I need to acknowledge there is a chance that we tumble down and kind of have some really tough times here and just, bounce off some of these other resistance levels, because at the end of the day, the bull market comes and the bull market comes. That is around the Bitcoin halving. We should hypothetically be moving up slowly to the right. But in that, there could be some pain and some great buying opportunities. If you had to ask me what I think happens next, I think we go up. I think we go up. I don't think we need to break down below $25,000 again, maybe even ever, right? But it is possible, folks. It is possible. Crow having a little bit of a tough time as well, hitting the bottom of its channel, but I don't think it needs to go much lower either. We'll just have to see how that plays out, guys. But okay, let's get into some of the stories. So first of all, guys, the SEC sued Coinbase today, one day after suing Binance. This is crazy. Some people thought this lawsuit already happened for Coinbase. No, this is a new lawsuit. They got the Wells notice. Now they got the lawsuit. This comes a day after the SEC sued Binance. What is going on? Well, the SEC and Gary Gensler right now, folks, in my opinion, are grasping at straws, just trying to do anything they can to get control over crypto. They want to deem everything a security. If they had it their way, they'd deem everything a security. But that's just not what it is. In fact, they can't even get out here and say that Ethereum's a security. They allege that Cardano and algorand is a security. But the facts of the matter are this, guys. Until a court says that what the SEC just alleged is true, none of it's true. These are allegations, guys. We need to be very specific. The SEC is filing lawsuits against these exchanges and putting out allegations, but allegations are not proof of anything. You need proof, right? You need to make a case, you need to build a case, and then the court needs to decide who wins that case. Until the SEC wins a case, which, by the way, they have a terrible track record of doing so. A lot of people think they're going to lose the Ripple case. I definitely think they're going to lose this Coinbase and Binance case. Until these cases come to resolve and we have definitive news from a judge and a jury in the courts that this and that or the other thing is a security, nothing's a security until they actually say it. And the problem that Gary Gensler's got going on right now is he's not saying that anything, definitively is, or there is no laws in place to say what is and is not. Courts haven't decided on it yet. So this is an issue that he has right now, but still he's just going out and stepping on all of crypto as much as he can, and it's a joke. But what I think is happening here, guys, is he's doing this strategically to muddy the waters before this happens. Coinbase, Robinhood, the CFTC, all three of these entities are going to testify in Congress over a draft crypto bill that is coming out. You've heard a lot from the Coinbase legal office that the U.S. is falling behind and at risk of driving jobs, innovation, investments overseas. This is what we've been talking about on the channel as well. Everybody in crypto agrees with this, and it doesn't make any sense for us to push this new market, this new innovation overseas. You see China warming up to this. You see everybody warming up to this. I think that Robinhood and Coinbase and CFTC talking on the Hill tomorrow is the very, very reason that the SEC is stepping out and putting out these lawsuits to just try to get some counter negative narrative to make this a little more difficult for them. But I just don't think it's going to work, really. I just really don't think it's going to work. And at the end of the day, here's the deal, guys. Gary Gensler doing this shows that he's got nothing under control. Okay. Now, if this is something that he wants to allege, fine, go ahead and allege it. We'll see what the courts say. But here's why I'm very bullish on this, guys. When Gary Gensler loses these court cases, if not all of them, if he loses most of them, whatever the decisions are of the courts, we're going to know what the red lights are and green light, where, it's a full stop. This is not allowed. This is illegal. This is a security. This is that. Here's how we operate with this. Here's how you register. We'll know all the red, the red tape, if you will. We'll also know what all the green lights are. And here is why I think that is absolutely massive for cryptocurrency. Once we actually know what we can and cannot do, who else knows what we can and cannot do? Well, the whole world, which means large investment firms, companies, individual, institutional traders, you name it. Everybody knows what's good, what's not, what's okay and what's not okay. And that means, guys, that the institutional adoption, the mainstream crypto narrative, crypto's going mainstream, it's going to go parabolic, everybody's going to get into crypto. That means that can actually start to happen. Why? Because then it's actually regulated. Then we actually know what we can and cannot do. And that means that the big money, like the BlackRocks of the world, can double, triple down, or enter into the Bitcoin and crypto market for the first time. And guys, honestly, that could be huge. Now, the other day, the last 2 days, really, when I woke up, I saw these stories. I was pissed. I was upset. I was mad. I was sad. It's just stupid Gary. Everybody thinks he's a clown. Me too. Same old thing. But then I realized, this is a gift. This is a gift. Why? Because Gary Gensler the other day said, he's going to go take his time on this crypto regulation. Well, it looks like he jumped today. And if the more he oversteps and the more he tries to put out these allegations, once these get rejected or accepted in the courts, likely rejected, then we will know if the SEC is truly a threat to us anyway. I'll talk more about why I'm excited about crypto.com here, and also what the risk is for crypto.com in all this. But note, we still haven't talked about any lawsuit from the SEC versus crypto.com. That being said, this doesn't make me bearish on Binance. This doesn't make me bearish on Coinbase. This doesn't make me bearish on Robinhood. But it does make me a little more bullish on crypto.com. So we'll talk more about that, guys. But throw some stuff in the comments, guys. I see you guys in the chat. I appreciate all the support there. I was supposed to be sharing my screen here, but I was talking a little bit about this right here, guys. It's really a good thing in my mind. That's kind of how I'm looking at it. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on kind of how I just ran through that. I'm very, very curious how the community feels about this. So, let's see here. Oscar Ramos in the house. Hey, Red Dragon, Oscar's welcome in our house. Everybody in the Crow fam is welcome. Let's be nice here. All right, guys, let's play it. Good to have you, Oscar. Thanks for joining today, man. I saw your live stream earlier. I was watching you. It's really good, guys. We need to support each other here in the crypto community. We got to support each other. Maybe you're a crypto.com holder. You should support Binance here. Maybe you're a crypto report fan. You should still support Oscar Ramos too. Maybe you're an Oscar Ramos fan. You should support me as well. This is it. We got to support each other. At the end of the day, you got to go into many different places to get your news, guys. Everybody's got a different take. And I watch everybody else's videos. We got to kind of get takes of different opinions. You look on Twitter, you look on YouTube, you look on the mainstream media. This is how you formulate an opinion, guys. So I support you, sir. So anyway, let's get into some more of these stories. But continuing on the SEC deal, guys. SEC took it a step further, asked for an emergency order to freeze Binance US assets. This could be another thing that could affect the markets. If they get approved here, this could send the market down a little bit more, in my opinion. But if this doesn't get approved, then we just continue to go up, really. I don't think that this will get approved. We'll have to see how it goes. But regardless, I'm still bullish on Binance. They don't need to be in the U.S. to be successful. Binance U.S. is already on the outs from the U.S. This really isn't any new news. Wouldn't be good to see their funds get freezed, though. This is the SEC overstepping themselves here. They're really, really overstepping, guys. It's just what it is. It's just what it is. So let's get a little bit into what's going on with Coinbase here in their response. So this is important. I want to read this out to you guys. So Brian Armstrong's thoughts on this are, regarding the SEC complaint against us today, we are proud to represent the industry in court to finally get some clarity around crypto rules. Remember, the SEC reviewed our business and allowed us to become public in 2021. There is no path to come and register. We tried repeatedly, so we don't list securities. We reject the vast majority of assets we review. 3, the SEC and the CFTC have made conflicting statements and don't even agree on what's a security and what's a commodity. It'll be very interesting tomorrow to see what the CFTC says in this congressional hearing about this crypto bill proposed. 4, this is why the U.S. Congress is introducing new legislation to fix the situation, and the rest of the world is moving to put clear rules in place to support this technology. Not reject it, not push it away, but to support this technology. Instead of publishing a clear rulebook, the SEC has taken a regulation by enforcement approach, which is stupid, and it's harming America. So if we need to avail ourselves of the courts to get clarity, so be it. By the way, in case it's not obvious, Coinbase suit is very different from others out there. This is very true. The complaint filed against us is exclusively focused on what is or is not a security, and we are confident in our facts and the law. We'll get the job done. In the meantime, let's all keep moving forward and building, which is a great message. America will get this right in the end. And guys, honestly, I totally agree with him. America will get this right in the end. And if you're sitting out there and you think America won't get it right, then you don't understand that America likes money. They're going to figure it out. Especially, not to get politically here, but the GOP seems to like money and investing a little bit more, it seems. I think they're taking a little bit more of a pro-crypto approach. So this is very interesting to watch play out. But this is probably the most important message here, guys. This is why it's so dumb, idiotic, and it's clownish what Gary Gensler's doing. In 2021, the SEC allowed Coinbase, a crypto exchange, to go public. What is a crypto exchange going to do? It's going to offer the biggest crypto tokens, Ethereum, Bitcoin, you name it, the next thing, the XRP. They had all these tokens they wanted to sell. They allowed them to, they were already trading all these tokens. They were already trading what the SEC today calls securities. So why would they allow a company that's trading securities to go public if they were doing something that the SEC doesn't want to sanction? Because it wasn't an issue at the time. Well, why? Because the politicians weren't getting their pockets lined by the people and the banks that were fearful probably of this whole crypto movement. Crypto wasn't big enough in 2021 for people to put the SEC on this witch hunt, if you will, to take down this whole industry. Now, this is different. Now there's a push. I think Gary Gensler is getting his pockets lined right now, trying to push crypto away or at least slow down crypto growth because somebody behind the scenes is probably puppeteering him to do so. It doesn't make any sense, guys. It really doesn't make any sense. I put out a tweet earlier, thoughts on the SEC. Let me know what your thoughts on the SEC. Follow me at Crypto Kip Tweets on Twitter quite a bit lately, guys, if you haven't checked me out there yet. So while the U.S. is struggling to figure everything out, guys, here's the deal. The UK even. Now, we've heard the UK is tough on crypto. We know China is strong on crypto right now. We know they're looking at crypto. Hong Kong wants to be a crypto hub. The UK's had a little bit of a tough time with crypto, but now all of a sudden UK lawmakers are calling for a dedicated government role to oversee crypto regulation. What are they doing? They're looking to either create a new group, all right? They're creating a new group for crypto, or they're going to dedicate a particular part of their government towards regulating crypto. We don't have that going on right now. We are literally going to be the last to the table at this point, which is why I think it's good that this whole situation with the SEC, Coinbase, and Binance is coming into the picture. And yes, by the way, guys, this case between Coinbase versus Binance is different. Binance is getting accused of commingling customer funds between Binance US and Binance and selling registered securities. Coinbase is only under the issue of the selling registered securities right now. So that's kind of the difference between those two, by the way, just so you know. But yes, the UK lawmakers are looking to dedicate a specific part of their government to oversee this stuff. Why? Because they know it's the future, just like you and me, guys, as everybody. And then there's some other stupid stories coming out. Ex-Vikings part owner sentenced to 6 years in prison for 700 million cryptocurrency scam. You know, just piling negative news on today. That seems to be what they're doing. But this is what it is. And just shout out to Lark Davis, great YouTuber out there. If you guys don't check out his stuff, he's got a lot of great stuff too. The SEC claiming that Coinbase is an unregistered securities exchange. The SEC also approved Coinbase to publicly list their company. The SEC also refuses to tell Coinbase what cryptos are securities. The SEC also refuses to tell Coinbase how to register and what the rules are. This is such a great GIF for this. GIF. This is perfect. This is really what it is right now. It's a joke. It's like a cartoon. Gary Gensler cannot last through this year, in my opinion. I don't think that it's possible. And here's an example of his conflicting statements. Gary Gensler says, we don't need digital currency. We have the dollar. The dollar stinks, guys. The dollar is inflationary. We are going to probably now, we see that the FOMC meeting's coming out here in the next couple weeks. We're going to get another announcement from the FOMC and Federal Chair Jerome Powell, whether we're going to raise the interest rates or not. And it looks like right now we are going to raise the interest rates. Why? Because inflation's out of control. Why? Because we print too much money. Why? Because our government is messed up, and we just raised the debt ceiling because we have trillions of dollars in debt globally, and we almost defaulted on all our loans across the globe. We don't have a dollar. We have trash is what we have. We have trash for a global currency. I don't like my dollars, but I certainly love my crypto. I like my real estate. I like my crypto, and I like my hard assets, right? Gold, things like this, but I don't like my dollars. I don't like my dollars one bit. And Gary Gensler, by the way, who says we don't need more digital currency. What are you talking about, Gary? Look at this. Look at this. First of all, and I'll get back to, I'll jump right to it. Look at this. Gary Gensler says we don't need cryptocurrencies. Well, let's see what his thoughts are back in the day before he was the head of the SEC, when he was a professor at MIT. Could you guys hear that? Could you guys actually hear that clip? Can you let me know? I don't think it was working, unfortunately, but what you were listening to was Gary Gensler saying that he likes algorand, and his buddy, who's the creator of algorand, is a genius, and essentially saying, it's super cool. You can build Uber and you can build Lyft on top of algorand, and it's going to be awesome. And so he was all for cryptocurrency. What changed? What changed? He was an innovative thinker. He was thinking about cryptocurrency. When I heard he was going to go into the SEC, I was excited because I saw some of the MIT talks, which looked bullish. Now you see this conversation, and he previously said that the government couldn't regulate this properly. It was almost impossible. Now he's trying to, and he's doing a terrible job. It's pathetic. It is pathetic. The sound wasn't working. That's okay. I don't need to show you guys the sound there. We don't need to do that, but okay. The sound for the video wasn't working. So, but look at what he's saying. Through 13 charges, we allege that Zhao, CZ, and Binance entities engaged in extensive web of deception, conflicts of interest, lack of disclosure, and calculated evasion of the law. We'll have to see how this court case plays out, but look at the quote that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission used. We're operating as a effing unlicensed security exchange in the USA, bro. Like, this is what they're leaning on. They're trying to sway the crypto community and just everybody else away from crypto. But let's just see, what does the Twitter think about this? They think, oh, okay, he's a clown. Oh, a martini guy says, oh, you suck. Doesn't like Gary Gensler. Oh, look, there you go. Oh, talking about possibly a conversation between SBF and Gary Gensler. Oh, criticizing him. There you go. Funny picture of Gary. Everybody, there's a middle finger. There's clowns. There you go. I mean, look at all this stuff, guys. Like, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. And then you also have this one. Didn't you praise algorand back in 2019? That was the clip that I just showed. You are a legitimate shame. This is how people feel. Gary Gensler should just look at his own Twitter to get an idea of of how the citizens of the United States feel about how he's trying to protect us. Because at the end of the day, what he's trying to do, right, is protect us. He wants to protect the U.S. consumers. Well, is he really protecting us, or is he trying to hurt us? A lot of people buy crypto, and what he's doing right now is trying to hurt crypto. He's trying to kill crypto. It's obvious. It's very, very obvious, and it's not good. What I want to share with you guys was this right here. This was exactly it. So CZ said it wonderfully. Wonder if he ever reads the comments under his post from the consumers he's supposed to protect. Well said, CZ. No way he does, because if he did, he'd see that nobody agrees with him, nobody likes what he's doing, and Gary Gensler would see that he's a failure and that he's not protecting U.S. consumers. In fact, he's hurting us, and he's crashing our bags intentionally. He's trying to make you have losses. That's what Gary Gensler's doing right now. And if you don't support the SEC and you support crypto, then you shouldn't FUD other people's bags, guys. And now I'm going to come at you, because if you've been talking negatively about meme coins even, or attention economy tokens, or any other crypto influencers, then you're doing a disservice to your own bags, guys. Whether you like this coin or the other coin, it is not healthy for us to FUD other people's bags. Don't say that that's a security and my thing's not. Don't say that the SEC is right about this, but they're not right about that. The SEC is wrong, period. Don't side with the SEC. Side with your crypto influencers and side with your crypto communities before you side with the SEC, or else just get out of the space, because the space won't succeed if the SEC wins. That's just how it is, folks. That's just how it is. And some of the comments I see on some of the videos are very concerning. Really concerning, guys, honestly. But this is the truth, and Ben Armstrong, who gets a lot of flack, and I support Ben. I think he's doing a great job. The best he can do is one of the biggest influencers in the space. The Crypto Salem witch trials are here. That's really what we're going through. These are the witch trials. These are really bad cases that Gary Gensler and the SEC are putting forward. And in the end, we will get past this, and it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It's really what's going on right now. So let's talk a little bit about, is crypto.com at risk here? Now, how do I feel about crypto.com given everything that we just talked about, folks? Bullish, 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 bullish. But there's a caveat, okay? It is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency platforms. They are a leader in regulatory compliance, and I think that puts them in a good spot. Now, we see all these court cases coming out against Binance about these other companies. You see Bittrex, and you see these other ones leaving the United States. You see Canada boxing companies out. You don't see any issues with Crypto.com right now, which is spectacular. This could give Crypto.com an opportunity to boost themselves and kind of gain a leg up on some of these other crypto exchanges. But we need to look at the facts, guys. There is a chance, and shout out to Dill. I've been talking a lot in Dill's spaces. He hosts a lot of meme coin Twitter spaces. He talks a lot about NFTs, so maybe it's not your cup of tea, maybe it is, but he put out this great tweet earlier that I wanted to share, because this is what it's all about, guys. The SEC charges Coinbase for operating as an unregistered securities exchange, broker, and clearing agency. Coinbase also charged for the unregistered offer and sale of securities in connection with its staking as a service program. Staking as a service program. Unfortunately, guys, if the SEC is coming after any company that's using a staking as a service program with securities, or what the SEC declares securities, then they could be under the scope of fire from the SEC. Now, Crypto.com, for those of you that know, and for those of you that don't know, you can stake your crypto on the earn feature through the Crypto.com app. So this would say the Crypto.com's not out of the woods, guys. They are breaking the rules, if you will, that the SEC wants to put out there. But they're not being called out, so that is good. I don't think they necessarily even need to get called out by the SEC, because I think the SEC is just trying to make an example out of Coinbase and Binance right now. I don't know if they're going to come after Crypto.com, because frankly, Crypto.com is not as big as those two exchanges yet. But this could be an opportunity for them to kind of gain some traction and kind of catch up on some ground that maybe they need to cover against some of their competitors out there. That being said, they also are at big risk, because they are doing staking as a service for some potentially unregistered securities. That being said, we don't know what is and what is not a security yet. So Where do I stand on this, guys? I am bullish on crypto.com. We love the licensing that they got going on. I love their products. I think they're doing a great job. I hold a lot of CRO tokens. I am not sponsored by them in any way. I just believe in the future of the project. I got a loaded line. I got my NFTs for the crypto.com land. The metaverse is launching before the end of the month. That's all very bullish, but crypto.com is offering staking as a service. So this could be a risk, guys. Talking a little bit about some of these other tokens out there. Look, let's talk a little bit about this Ben token, guys, because if we're talking about the SEC and we're talking about cryptocurrency and we're talking about a bull market, we need the SEC to lose. Now, BitBoy Crypto taking over this Ben token, one of his main initiatives is to put up billboards to attack Gary Gensler, to attack politicians that are anti-crypto, to spread awareness to the public. And frankly, I think that's a good narrative. And anybody in crypto that can't get behind that, not necessarily saying you need to buy the token, not necessarily saying this is a good investment, but I'm saying if you can't at least get behind what he's trying to do with this, then like, what are you doing? If it's a good message and he's trying to drive crypto adoption, trying to pump your bags on all the other tokens that you hold, he's going to do token billboards about XRP, about algorand, about Cardano, about all the big tokens, the ones that the SEC calls a security. How's that not a good thing? And so with that being said, I am bullish on this project right now. And over the last day, it seems like it might have hit a little bit of a bottom. That being said, this 4-hourly candle, since I started the stream, has started to turn a little bit red. I think maybe it found a bottom, might be moving up. I'm going to keep an eye on this one in the next bull run. I'm holding a lot of these tokens, guys. I'm going to continue to hold these. I'm going to diamond hand these Ben tokens. Take out a little bit of profit when we start moving up. But the fact of the matter is this, guys, it's at a $33 million market cap. If you don't think a coin that is focused around battling the SEC from BitBoy Crypto, who is talking with politicians in Washington and proposing crypto regulation, if you don't think this coin could at least achieve $1 billion market cap, if you don't think it's even possible, then I don't think you're reading into the whole story. And if that does happen, guys, that's over a 30x. And I think that's pretty spectacular for the Ben token. As for the PSYOP token, there's a lot more risk with this. I am holding this thing. I think it's funny. I think it's entertaining. I think it's a big risk. There is a product behind it. It's not a meme coin anymore. It's an attention economy token. And at the end of the day, I think attention is one of the biggest things that gets tokens moving up. AKA, look at Pepe, look at Shiba, look at Dogecoin. Elon Musk pumped up Dogecoin. You can't deny it. Loyal token, also another product that was launched recently, coming out with a new DEX that's a competitor to Uniswap. That token's not doing very well. So the meme tokens are struggling right now. And Ben ETH says himself, maybe this thing doesn't last forever. Maybe it does. Who knows, guys? But I don't think it's healthy to FUD other people's bags. I don't think it's fun. I don't think it's healthy to hate on other people's tokens. I think it's healthy to sit on the sidelines if you don't believe in it. But I don't think it's healthy for crypto to go after crypto. I think crypto needs to be versus the SEC, period. And I think that's where we need to be right now, guys. As for what's going on for the year on crypto, where we're at with the trend right now, January was green. February was barely green. March was very green. April was 2.81% upside. May was down. Sell May walk away. I don't know yet. June is looking a little iffy. We had a little dip today. I think the bounce off $25,200 for Bitcoin could have been very significant. I think we could keep moving up, but let me know in the comments down below if you agree or not. If anybody I'll keep saying this, I got to continue to tell this to you guys. If any influencer you're looking at out there, if any YouTuber, if any Twitter person out there saying, I know what's going to happen, they're lying to you, or they don't know what they're talking about. I don't know what's going to happen. I have a couple ideas. I share with you guys my thoughts. We just come up with some hypotheses. We look at some data. We assess it. We can form an opinion. But we always got to know a black swan event can come. Technicals aren't everything. There's anything could happen. So we just follow the news. We don't buy off the news. We don't sell off the news, but we assess it all. We do our own research. We pick our positions, and we wait for a bull market, guys. And hopefully another bull market comes, guys. I feel extremely confident. That's why we have a YouTube channel. That's why I have my net worth in cryptocurrency. I put my money where my mouth is. But guys, I'm just very excited for the future here. And I want you guys to know, you can't possibly predict the exact moves of the future. But if you believe in crypto and you don't believe in the SEC, smart move, in my opinion, is to dollar cost average and hold on for the long term. That's why I end my every single video saying DCA hodl. We'll see you next one. By the way, I'm not done yet. We're just getting started. I want to do a little Q&A with the community. I'm going to look through all your questions, guys, see what's going on, see what the vibe is here, see what's going on. You know, what a ridiculous day, what a ridiculous 48 hours, honestly, it's been. And you could even say what a crazy month we've had with the meme coins, with the attention economy tokens that we never heard of before last month. It's been wild. There's a lot of frustration. There's a lot of fear. But overall, I am so bullish. I'm just so excited. So I'm going to go through. I'm going to check out some of your questions here. I'm scrolling back up to the top, taking it on. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Crow all the way. Enzo. Let's see what we got, guys. So, Crow Bro, good to have you in the chat. Red Dragon, Justin, just another sushi. We got the fam here. This is awesome. Did I buy on CEO or did I buy Crow? Did I buy on Crow app? I buy on the crypto.com app. I buy, my Crow anywhere. You can buy it on Coinbase. Psycho Pearl says Binance and Coinbase will fight the SEC. Yeah, I mean, Binance and Coinbase are about to go to court, guys. That's what I'm saying. I mean, I think that as this settles, as these cases come to a close, we're really going to have, again, our red lights and our green lights. These court cases are huge. And Binance said they're willing to put $1 billion behind their litigation, behind hiring their lawyers. They're going to do well in court, guys. And if you don't think so, you got to open your eyes and you got to kind of look at the big picture here. Let's see what else we got here, guys. Go Crow, go Crow. Oscar Ramos in the house. Good to have your brother. 2K Crow. Yeah, I see a lot of Crow holders in the chat. I see a lot of people getting their 100,000 Crow bags, 200,000 Crow. Sometimes, 2K Crow, it's a good start. We're building our bags. A lot of great purchasing opportunities for us here. Red Dragon. You don't like VVS and Tectonic? I mean, VVS and Tectonic, if you like Crow, you might want to think about VVS and Tectonic as at least getting a little position in those guys. Those are the two biggest coins on the Cronos chain, so we can't be hating on those. Oh, this chat is feisty today. This chat is feisty. When Binance lists Crow, we will support them. They're just afraid. Well, hey, Red Dragon, it's a good thing that Binance didn't list Crow, or else maybe we would have saw some news that maybe they would have shouted out Crow as a potential security offering that they were doing. So I don't know about that. I love this, though. You got to have a Red Dragon in the chat. I love it. I like that you're here, brother. I mean, I need some little fire in the chat. Don't take it too far, but hey. And be friendly to Oscar, man. Hey, show Oscar some love. All right. Let's be friendly to Oscar out there. He's like the OG crypto.com YouTuber. I gotta shout out to him. I'll tell you. Let's see what else we got. Bought more yesterday. Good. You bought the dip. I see people buying the dip. That's exactly what we want to do, guys. You want to buy the fear in these markets. When these things go down, what do? You buy the dip. You buy the fear. Buying more this weekend. Good to see Texas Crypto. Good to have you in the chat. Good to have you in the chat. What's going to reset to? What else we got here? Throw some questions at me, folks. I'm going through right now. Just kind of going back up from the top. Seeing what else we got. We are moving. We don't care about Gensler. That's the right attitude. Yeah, I mean, hey, crypto's back up. It just shows you the crypto community doesn't care about Gary Gensler and his opinion. We don't. We really don't. It's fun to talk about. It's fun to call him a clown. It's fun to hate on him. That's a lot of fun. It's fun to watch him embarrass himself. It's fun to watch him lose in court, but we don't really think that he's going to crush our bags. And anybody that does and sells on that, I feel bad for you. Don't be selling on some Gary Gensler FUD, because Gary Gensler's a wimp. He's a wuss. Ain't going to win. Yeah, it looks like the chat is buying some Crow right now. I do got to say, I mean, this really is bullish for Crow, guys. I feel good not hearing any negativity lately about Crypto.com. Not even Mr. Whale Chart, he's a big Twitter guy, loved to FUD Crypto.com. Nobody's been FUDding Crypto.com lately. It's been pretty awesome. In fact, I've seen it be trending on Twitter quite a bit lately, which has been good. Let's see what else we got here. Boy, I'm getting hungry, folks. I'm getting hungry. My fiance is not cooking yet, though. She's going to be home soon. I'm hungry. I'm starving. I might have some more chicken piccata. Again, I get a lot of chicken piccata that we have up in this house. I got an Italian girl. She does good. She cooks me the good food. We eat well over here at the Crypto Report household day Crypto Kip. Yes, we do. Power to Ben. All right, we got some Ben lovers in the chat. It's good to see. I am a Ben fan as well. Crow is a sleeping giant, says Victor Gomez. I absolutely agree. I mean, guys, 80 million users, growth goal of 250 million users. If 250 million users all own $1,000 worth of Crow apiece, you're looking at what? A $25 billion market cap? Did I get that right? Something like that. Check my math, guys. Somebody do the math. I don't know. I don't have a calculator. But that's a way to think about it. That's a way to think about it. Let's see what else we got. Watch that. Let's see. Oh, man. I should just do a live stream where we just hang out and talk in the chat. I don't know. Do you guys like it more relaxed? Or do you like more? I'm going to put out a little poll. I want to know what you guys think. Okay. Do you like a more news-oriented stream? Or do you prefer just hanging out in the chat? Let me know what you guys think. Let's see. News. Chat. Boom. All right. Let me know, guys. Let me know. Look at what other questions we got here. Everybody says that Gary Genza is a clown. I couldn't agree more, my friends. I couldn't agree more. Let's see what else we got. Wow. Oh, man. You guys have been talking a lot in this chat. I'm trying to catch up. How many people in this chat have been with Crow for more than 2 years? Yeah, good question. I've been with since 2018. I bought it in the Monero days. Monero went to crypto.com tokens and then it changed to Cronos. I've been through all of that. Yes, it's been wild. Yeah, Texas, you're an OG. You've been in since MCO as well. Very, very cool. Texas is an OG. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. A lot of people here since the beginning days. I've been noticing that too. All my altcoins are going to make it. They need a foundation structure like the stadium we bought. Just looking through all these chats here, guys. See what other questions we got. Francisco Gabriel asks, who's going to play the main city game when it releases? I am absolutely going to be playing that game. If we can earn money on it, I'll be playing it quite a bit. If we can't, I'll be playing a little bit just to kind of get involved. If we can interact with you guys and we can like play together in the game, I will totally play the game with my audience, with you guys. Texas, Francisco, anybody out there, Crowbro, whoever's out there, we'll play. I'll play the game. If we can like kind of do a PvP thing or something like that, or go on like quests together. I don't know what it's going to be. That'd be a lot of fun. Could you imagine if it was like a little World of Warcraft? That would be insane. That would be insane. Texas Crypto, great line here. Memes are like the lottery. I like them, but I'm working on getting my quant bag to 100 at the moment. I love that attitude. You know what? I mean, and that's the truth. Memes are like the lottery. I like to think of them more like gambling. Really, because you got to know when to take profit, You got to know when to take profit. You can easily find a meme coin that goes up, but you got to take profit. That's the fact. You got to take your profit, guys. David asking, what's happening to Binance? Has something to do with FTX with the politicians? It could be paid back. I haven't seen that story, but I'll tell you, FTX had something to do with politicians. I'll tell you that. We know that 1 in 3 congressmen were bribed by Sam Bankman-Fried. So ain't surprising to see the attacks on Binance right now. I'll tell you that. Considering the FUD the fight that we saw between SBF and CZ on Twitter. SBF does not like CZ. I'll always remember the quote that SBF said where, you know what they say about glass houses? Sam Bankman-Fried said that to CZ, which means like, in other words, he's going to use his politician cronies to come after CZ, and here you go. Let's see if it works. Doesn't make any sense to me. I think that's why Gary Gensler changed his mind, guys. I think it's all about Gary Gensler and Sam Bankman-Fried talking, which changed Gary Gensler from this crypto guy that was with MIT and a pro crypto guy to no, I'm just focused on the FTX thing and like only the things that work. He's trying to prop up his friends and crush everybody else is what I really think is going on with Gary Gensler. But it's just disgusting. Would you buy 100K Crow right now if you had the money? I might. Yeah, I mean, if I had some profits, I might. I got a lot of Crow right now, though, so I don't know if how much Crow I'd buy. I'd probably, buy a little bit, though. I'd buy a little 100K Crow. I could make it happen. I mean, I could go get, another 100K Crow. But I don't know. I mean, I got so much Crow, and I need to diversify. I'm very bullish on Crow. I think I got enough exposure, but we'll keep you posted. Juan Castaneda says, Crow might be the best exchange of the future. It might be. I mean, I think there's going to be a lot of great exchanges in the future. I think Binance ain't going anywhere. I think there's going to be a lot of great exchanges. By the way, guys, smash up the like button for me. If you guys like this content and you like to just hang out, smash the like button. It goes a long way to help. We're doing giveaways. We want to support you guys as we see all the support you guys give to us. Check us out on Twitter. Let's talk on Twitter, guys. But smash the like. It just helps us tremendously in the YouTube algorithm. By the way, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for all the support, all the love out there, because I want to let you guys know we are one of the fastest growing YouTube channels in crypto right now for a channel of our size. I want you to know that. I was looking at our channel, the Crypto Report, versus some of the other channels out there, and we're getting some incredible results as to what our growth projections are. And I just got to thank you. None of this is possible without you guys. I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't for the awesome community, for how much I love crypto, the crypto community, and everybody in the chat. We just want to bring more and more to you guys. So just a shout out to all the Crypto Report, crypto reporters out there, all the supporters out there. We do have memberships, by the way. If you want to become a member on the channel, get access to our private Discord and a loyalty badge, just go in the link in the description down below. You can sign up as a member. I think it's like $5 a month. And then there's like different tiers for kind of different privileges to, how you can kind of communicate with me and Black Sea, things like that. So just thank you guys. Just wanted to throw that out there. It's been a while. I try not to shill that stuff. I don't like to be a shill. We don't like to do that here, but if you want to support the channel, there's an opportunity for you to do it there. Let's see what else we got. Crow rocks, period, undervalued. Couldn't agree more, Chris. OSIRGC says, Oscar has a good show. Watch him all the time. Oscar's got a great show. He does good stuff. He's committed to the cause, guys. Throw him some love, too. Right now, it's like Crow's at 6 cents. Great price to buy. Absolutely. See what else we got. Francisco Gabriel says, yeah, once it passes 10, and Johnny, good to see you in the chat, man. Johnny says, once Crow goes past 10 cents, the FOMO will kick in and it will get back to $1. No question about it. Yeah, I mean, I agree, but it won't. I don't think it'll shoot up to like $1 like snap of a finger kind of thing. But I do think that it'll shoot up to 12 cents, maybe 20 cents, 30 cents. If you look historically at CRO, there's a lot of times where just out of nowhere, it like has a massive, massive wick up. Just absolutely like legendary moves. Like I'm going to just kind of go into the chart here and even show you guys some of this. Like let me go back and show you this real quick. Once we get past 10 cents. Yeah, we'll see. So here you go. Look at these wicks, guys. Look at these wicks. So if we kind of go back. So this is in February of 2021. Look at this wick for CRO. From the bottom of that wick to the top. Could you imagine, guys? Again, 146% gains on a daily candle for CRO. That is possible. So that to your point, blast through 10 cents. Yeah, maybe. I mean, here you go. This is right around 13 cents. So I think more, around maybe that 13 or 12 cent level is maybe more my level. I want to get back to the FTX collapse level. This is a level we talk a lot about on the channel, actually. Here you go. This is where FTX collapsed back in the day. And actually what's crazy is if I were to kind of put this out and draw that there, let me draw that horizontal line. And then I go back to, I don't think the line came out. But yeah, I think that's right at that like same level. So yeah, I mean, getting past 10 cent CRO is going to be huge, guys. I think FOMO will start kicking. FOMO will come back. It will come back. It's just a matter of when. Friday night live. Are you saying you want me to do a Friday night live stream? Oh, my Friday nights though. Eventually I'd love to do morning streams, like daily morning streams, like coffee and CRO, coffee and crypto.com news, and just crypto news, coffee and a live stream. That'd be a lot of fun. Doesn't really allow me to do that with work yet. Also, we got to get these live streams. We got to get more people in these live streams. I'm not really going to do it. I'd be willing to commit once we get 1,000 concurrent viewers in our live streams. I will do a daily live stream Monday to Friday in the mornings. I think that would be something I'd be willing to commit to. But we got to get there first, folks. So, smash up the like and retweet these out, guys. I put out our live streams on Twitter. If you want this channel to grow, if you guys love this community, you want to grow this community with us, and you like the Crypto Report, then follow us on Twitter and retweet our live streams. We need more people in these live streams because, 56 viewers is nice. But, hey, I want to break 100. I want to break 1,000. Maybe we'll have to do some giveaways. Like if we get like 200 concurrent viewers, I'll do like $100 giveaway or something. I'm willing to do that. Matter of fact, I'm going to do that. Next live stream, I'm going to start offering that. Starting next live stream, if we can get 200 viewers in, I'll do $100 giveaway. And yeah, we'll do that for you guys. How about that? A little something for you. Let's see here. First time to see you live. Jojo, thanks for tuning in, man. Appreciate you, brother. Thanks for watching us live here. Justin likes both. Yeah, both. Oh, I should have done that. Good point. I should have added another both. But I want to get an idea. I kind of want to see the vibe. I don't know what's more popular, like the news, or do you just like to hang out and ask me questions and I kind of assess the chat? I like both. I mean, I think it's important for me to kind of go through the stories for folks that, a lot of people aren't doing their own research, and I like to do what I can for you. You got to do your own research, but I'll do what I can for you. But put in your vote, guys. Let me know if you like more chatting or more news to give me an idea of kind of what I should be focusing on for the channel. One day, just chill and chat. That'd be fun. $10 CROs, hard to achieve before both are good. 50-50, I believe CRO. Francisco Gabriel, I believe CRO will reach $3 in the next bull run, but that's me. That would be awesome. There would be a lot of crypto.com millionaires if we got a $3 CRO, that's for sure. That would be great. A lot of people like a mix of both. Okay, so you kind of like it how we're doing it. That's what I'm hearing. Do you like it the way it is? Do you like the stream the way it is? Let's see what else we got. Always look forward to the Ben updates. Okay, so we got some Ben lovers in here. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to keep doing the Ben updates, guys, whether you like them or not. I got to do it. I think it's relevant. I think it's going to be relevant. My goal is to give you guys the most relevant news, and I'm going to continue to do that. I got to do it. I got to do it. Crypto report. Yeah, maybe we can schedule a day to play in Main City to have some fun. Absolutely, man. Francisco, I'm with you. I'll do it, brother. Let's have some fun. A lot of people like that $3 crow prediction. I see some people, I stay with the $5 USD crow prediction. Yeah, I mean, we've done some videos on that. I mean, I believe it. I totally believe it. Been trying to put like the $5 and $1 thing on the thumbnail less. You know, a lot of people get all bent out of shape about it. But, you know, thumbnails are thumbnails, guys. And I wouldn't put something on a thumbnail that I don't think is possible. Or if I did put something on a thumbnail, I would debunk it right away. Because sometimes I'll put out a thumbnail to be like, is Crow dead? And the answer is no. I mean, like until like I really believe Crow's dead, you'll know. I mean, you'll see me on Twitter, and then tune into the video, you'll see right away. Unfortunately, clickbait's a thing on YouTube. I don't love that, but it is what it is. I created all the thumbnails myself. I hope you guys like the thumbnails. I learned it's been a long journey. If you go back, if you guys go back to our first videos, I think we've come a long way. At first, you know, I think Black Sea just like created some quick, easy thumbnails for us. Then we like hired somebody to do it. And then I was like, you know what? I'm just going to do these because we had to like wait for like people to do this. And it's like, you know what? I'm just going to do these myself because frankly, who knows what we want better than us, is kind of the way that I thought about it. But I hope you guys enjoy them anyway. Gensler's a loser. About 100,000 crow yesterday. Nice job, Dan Chopper. Probably said your name wrong. Don't know how to say that name. First ever crypto was ADA when it was 15 cents, says JoJo. That's really good price for ADA back in the day. I don't even know where ADA is at right now. Let me see where ADA is at right now. Let's see what we got. What do we got for ADA? I know I'm not sharing my screen. I'm just looking myself, folks. So let's see what we got for ADA. Yeah, Black Sea actually bought ADA at like, I think he bought it at like 2 cents. He made a killing on ADA back in the day. Where is Cardano right now? Boom. 35 cents. Yeah, pretty good buy point. Still up about 2.5x. Smash up a like, guys, if you didn't do so already, by the way. Any likes you can throw us is greatly appreciated. It helps us in the YouTube algorithm. Big time, folks. Big time. Let's see what else we got. Great videos go by. Crow. Yes. Crow won't get sued. Well, Crow might get sued. I can't say Crow wouldn't get sued, Jonathan. They could. But, yeah, we'll have to see. We are the most regulated and secure. We own the toughest places. We own the toughest places like Canada, Singapore, and South Korea. Those are all great points. I totally agree with you. That is a big reason why I'm big bullish on this, Jonathan. So totally hear you, brother. All right, I'm going to end this poll. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. All right, 55% of people prefer the chat over the news. That is very, very interesting to me. Good to know. Good to know. I mean, so then I can feel a little more comfortable because sometimes I like to do a little bit of a longer news thing. You know, I want to stretch that out. But if you guys like me to kind of get to the comments afterwards, then we can kind of circle back and talk about some of the stories. So maybe that's the move. A lot of people like a little bit of both. So we'll give you a little bit of both. David Tulgren says, when are you going to tell us how much crow you have? I'll tell you how much crow I have when around the Bitcoin halving, probably. I'm going to keep you wondering. I'll keep you wondering. I don't know. I'm going to keep that lingering probably until the Bitcoin halving when y'all are going to be really curious. You know, as crow's heating up, you'll be really curious. I got to keep you guessing. We got to have a little fun, David. I got to have a little fun. Got to keep a little mystery. Bradley wants it too. Guys, I'll just tell you this. I don't have like 20 million crow. All right. So I'm not like, you know, that kind of crow guy. But I got a lot of crow. All right. I'm feeling good. I have more crow than any of the YouTubers out there that I've seen. So I'll just keep dropping hints. I'll keep dropping hints for you. So like 10 months ish. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. You guys are great. You guys are awesome. Reggie Nuts says, where are you guys buying Ben? I bought my Ben on Uniswap. You should be able to buy it on Uniswap, but do be careful, Reggie. You got to be careful if you're going to buy Ben, because there are a lot of scam fake Ben tokens out there. All those meme coins, there's a lot of fake tokens out there. Got to make sure you double, triple check the contract address. Make sure you're buying the right token, because there's a lot of fake tokens out there. Shy Sox fan for life says 350K crow. That's his guess. That's how much crow he thinks I have. Hard to say. I don't know. Not going to reveal. Not going to reveal. Love the guess, though. Love the guess. I think 200K, 400. I love you guys. Oh, man. We have fun. We have fun here. I love it. I love it. You guys are the best. From the bottom of my heart, like I just appreciate you being here with me. I hope we all make a lot of money, and I just want to see all y'all get rich. I just want to see all y'all get rich. Let's get rich together, guys. You know, we got to be careful. You know, you don't want to enter a trade where you lose it all, nothing like that. But I want everybody to get rich here. And I hope you guys tune in with these streams. We're going to continue to do them every Tuesday, Thursday. Eventually, you know, when we start getting like 1,000 viewers in here, I'd love to do the morning ones daily. That'd be great. But for now, we're going to keep doing this. So appreciate all your support. Sending my love to you guys. Hope you guys get some big gains. If you're trading memes, I hope you got a big bag of crow. When this bull cycle comes, we get some big gains on crow. I'm excited. Hashtag let's get rich. Benny Blue Eyes. Good to see you, Benny. You missed it, man. I'm wrapping up. My fiance's home. She's starting to cook the chicken piccata, Benny. It's getting late. Starting to cook the chicken piccata. Oh, man. UCME says, guys, are you kidding me? He has 1 million. I'm broke on the doll and have 110K crow. From his smiling, Kip is going to be a crow millionaire for sure. He has 1 million in crow. I know it. UCME. You dog, you. We'll have to see. Can't give it away. But keep in mind, you know what, guys, I'm a salesman. You got to remember that. My day job is a salesman. So, you know, salesmen smile, you know, so I don't know. You know, do I have 1 million? I don't know. The smile's deceiving. Haha. Got like a perma smile most times. I try to be a positive guy. Try to be a positive guy. Try to be optimistic. Hold on. I got to do a quick dinner status check. Nope, she's showering. We don't have dinner. We got showers happening. So I'll give you a little more time, guys. We'll just hang out. I mean, I'm not in a hurry. Recorded my shorts before this. What I try to do is, let's talk about this for a second. Crypto can be very unhealthy. Okay. I have an unhealthy Twitter addiction right now. I'll tell you that. So if you want to talk to me on Twitter. I'm addicted. I love crypto Twitter right now. Talking a lot about memes. You know, I think it's just a lot what people are talking about. I'll keep talking about crow, but there's only so much crow stuff happening. But let's talk about staying healthy with crypto. You know, don't invest more than you are willing to lose. Always. But don't be afraid to put your phone down, guys. Step away. Step back. I got my shorts done. I got all my videos done. I try to get them done. So at the end of the day, I can kick my feet up, have a drink if I want, watch a movie, spend some time with my fiance, with my family, go golfing. I love to golf. I'm a big golfer. Before my stream, I was just sitting there. I was like, sitting there. I'm trying to get better at golf. I try to get my mind off crypto, and I bought some Pro V1s, and I'm like trying to so I draw my lines on the golf balls. I don't know if you guys are golfers out there, but this helps me when I'm putting. And I'm just trying to take my time more. Golf's an interesting game because it's kind of like crypto. It takes patience. You can't make a panicked move. You gotta kind of do your research, on the hole. You gotta make sure you check your yardage. you got to make sure you double and triple check yourself kind of before you make a move. And, you know, you don't want to spend all your time in these crypto. You got to take a step back, guys. You got to find your way to unwind every day, because if you're just hooked on it and every single day you're buying a new token or you're looking at this new project that's going to make you millions, you're going to have a tough time winning in crypto, guys. You got to pick the projects after you do the due diligence, do the research, and just kind of sit back and believe in the investment. Now, if you're a trader, that's one thing, and that's stressful on its own. But I urge you, if you guys are just like a hodler, you just got to sit back and kind of watch your investments grow. Put the phone away and just try to relax. I got to practice what I preach. That is hard to do for me. I have a really hard time stepping back, but it's an effort that I put in for myself all the time. You got to take a step back, guys. I got to live your life too. It's not all about crypto. I got my net worth in crypto, but I like to get out. I like to go out, listen to some music. I like to get out golfing. I like to go on some dates with my fiance. You know, I like to get out, spend some time. My parents actually have a pool. I live like 40 minutes away from me. Maybe you see me doing some shorts around the pool. That's not my pool, by the way. Not yet. One day I might buy that house from them. We'll see. But, you know, guys, you gotta take some time to unwind. We gotta stay healthy because we are in this for the long term. If you're here, you're probably in it for the long term. If you're watching in this bear market accumulation phase, you're probably here for the long term. So let's practice healthy crypto habits, guys. Stay calm. Stay calm. I love crypto so much, says UCME. I'm glad CZ got sued and Coinbase. It was getting boring. At least there's some drama. Even if it goes to zero, still fun times. Well, we don't want it to go to zero, but you know what? To your point, yeah, I mean, it was a little bit boring, and the meme coins were exciting. I think that's why memes were exciting, because everything else was so boring. At least we have some conversation now, and at least we can get some clarity on regulation. So I don't hope it goes to zero, that's for sure, but I am happy to see this, guys. So we got 52 likes here, by the way. Smash the like button. Let's get this thing up to 100 likes if we can. If you guys get up to 100 likes, I'll be pretty happy with that. That would be amazing. Tap it in. Tap it in. I just don't tap it. All right. I did that. I did it. Yeah, I like Adam Sandler a lot. Zachary Bucks, tap it in. You know, I'd love to get that putter that he has in Happy Gilmore. I would love to get that hockey putter. That would be so cool. It's only money, folks. Can be remade. Remember that. Don't let emotions F you. Yeah, don't let them mess with you, guys. Not every swing has to be a hole-in-one. Yes! See, you guys get it. Man, I wish I could like golf with you guys or something. I can't reveal my identity. I'm scared. I'm scared to reveal my identity. You know, it's a weird thing. You know, I hear all these stories of crypto influencers, you know, getting, you know, mugged and things like, you know, it's a little scary. I don't know how BitBoy does it. I don't know how Ben Armstrong does it. I got to give him credit. Maybe it's because he's got enough money that he's just confident and he's got security or something, but it's a scary thing. I'll be honest. Gary Gensler owns Bitcoin. Ha ha. I don't think so. Joe, that's good. Well, Gary clearly made that a hit piece. Yeah. M. Night Shyamalan plot twist. Gary Gensler's a crow holder. And he had a Kramer of people making comments. Yeah. Oh, but I didn't even talk about Jim Cramer. Yeah. Jen Stapper. Yeah. Got to play the Pro V1s. They stink to lose, but I love to play the Pro V. I even had some custom Pro V1s made, just some like refurbished balls. I had some like custom Pro V1s made. Those were a lot of fun. I was playing with those, but those really hurt to lose. And finally, I'm getting to a better place where I'm not losing so many balls. Right now, my games, I'm trying to break 90 on a consistent basis. So I'm not like, you know, not a +5 guy. I'm still like shooting, you know, +18 or whatever. Yeah, I'm shooting 86, you know, 82 is my best round right now. So I'm just trying to break 80 this year. That's my goal with golf. Got any scratch golfers out there? Kip Pro Crow asks, Crypto Kip, what's your opinion related to pack rarity and the various capacity within each? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I just think you're going to have a little bit of an advantage in game with the pack rarity. Since there's like 25, are there like 50,000 of the packs? I think since there's so many, these things like might burn over time. They might like come out with like more in-game items. These might be like 1 or 10 time use, 25 time use case for these. It's just so hard to say right now, Kip Pro Crow, because we don't have enough information about the packs. I'm just so excited for this game release. I really hope that they stick to their timeline. Am I right in that this is the end of Q2? This is when they're supposed to come out with the game, guys. It should be coming out in the next like 20 days, 30 days. I can't wait. I just wonder what it's going to do to the price. I think it's bullish. I think it would move the price up, but can't speak too much about the packs. We'll have to see how it plays out. Crowbro said, CZ said, if you can't hodl, you won't be rich. Yeah, to a point, but you got to take profit too. Crypto Kip, did you hear that the PGA and LIV finally partnered? No, I did not. Very interesting. Is that like Saudi-backed golf group? Is that what that is? I think did they finally do that? I got to watch more golf. I've been watching more golf. Since I'm a YouTuber, I watch a lot of YouTube. Golf Sidekick is a YouTuber I watch a lot. I think his name is. He's got like an English accent or something. I think he's like, I don't know where he's from, like New Zealand or something. I don't even, South Africa. I think he's from like South Africa. He's fun to watch on YouTube. I was watching some of Tiger's old tournaments, the Masters that he won. That was a lot of fun. Wow, that's crazy, Benny. Yeah, there was a lot of drama with that. I can't believe they merged. Wow, I didn't know that. Custom Crow golf ball. Yeah, I had a custom Crow golf ball for a while, but it's gone. I probably hit it into the, water or something. Yeah, no, I don't have it here. I had them, though. I'll probably order some more, and I'll show you guys. You see me bought 9 legendary backpacks for $125 each. That's really good price because those things are at like $600 right now, or like $500. I think that people will want them. I think they will be wanted. I can at least say that. If the game's good. The game's got to be good, though. The game's got to be good. All right, guys. Well, thanks for hanging out. I'm hungry. I'm going to go snack and kick my feet up. Probably going to watch some Breaking Bad tonight. Going back, I'm rewatching that with my fiance. She's watching it for the first time. Any good shows out there? Any good shows? Any good movies I should watch? I feel like I've seen like every movie and every show. Anything good out there? Otherwise, I'll probably just watch some golf. I don't know. That's what I like to do. And then I'll just like fiend on crypto Twitter. That's kind of how she goes. All right, guys. That's all I got. That's really all I got. I just want you to know that Black Sea and I, from the bottom of our hearts, we appreciate you guys coming to this every Tuesday, Thursday live stream. He will be joining me on live streams in the future, guys. He is busy, but I will. Yeah, Ozark is good. Power. Okay, I'm gonna write down power. UCME. I will write down power. Get my pen. Power. What else we got? Yeah. Okay. Squid Games. Yeah. Are they doing a Squid Games 2? Are they going to do like a second season or something of Squid Games? I don't even know. JoJo's like, go have dinner. Get out of here. JoJo wants me to end. I'm like hanging out. I'm like having fun. I like want to go, but also I don't. I'm just kind of hanging out. This is probably the most I've hung out during a live stream. I'm feeling more and more relaxed with you guys. I feel like we're really starting to know each other. I feel like we're really developing a bond here. I mean, we're strong today. This crypto community is strong. We are strong right now. With all this pain going on, we're strong. Bates Motel, I'll check that one out. If that's got like some serial killer stuff, I'm probably not going to do it. Fiance doesn't like that kind of stuff. I'm very lucky to have her watching Breaking Bad alone, so we'll have to see. Yeah, do you guys like Breaking Bad or Better Call Saul more? Because honestly, I like Better Call Saul more. I'll be honest with you. I think that the actor that plays Saul in Better Call Saul is like, I think he's like one of my favorite actors. He's hilarious. Fire Stream, Evan. Oh, I think I know Evan Fox. I think I know that guy. Is that the Evan that I think it is? Is that the Evan that I think it is? No, let me. Somebody who actually knows me in real life, potentially. Ooh, secrets. They don't know my identity, Evan, so if you do, shh. But thanks for tuning in, brother. I appreciate it. Yeah. Awesome. All right, guys. Well, 10 out of 10. Awesome. Love it. I'm out, guys. Guys, stay bullish, stay optimistic, be smart, do your own research. You know, if you like the content, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. We're so excited. That giveaway is coming up fast, guys. You didn't mean that. You said you're hungry. I am hungry. You retracted the message. Oh, no. I already saw it. It's too late, JoJo. I saw the message. Sons of Anarchy is pretty good. I like Sons of Anarchy a lot. That was a big one for me. I didn't like I couldn't get into the Sons of like the Mayan ones, though. I don't know. I couldn't get into that one. Maybe I got to give it another shot, though. I don't know. All right, guys. That's it. I'm out. I am out. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA HODL. And of course, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you. Probably here. I don't know if they pop up on live streams, though. Anyway, see you next time, guys. Peace.